guys, it's me, Johan, from Learning by Doing with Johan, and today's topic is density. Now, before we do anything else, we're going to start with an experiment to show you how density works. So, for this experiment, you'll need a bowl of water and some everyday objects that you find around in your house. You'll also need a checklist to mark whether they sink or float. So, let's start the experiment. So I'll start with this plastic spoon and I'm going to drop it in the water. But before that, let's guess whether it will sink or float. I think it will float because it's really lightweight. And then I drop it in and it floats. So I put float. Next, we're going to put this coin that I found in my house. I think this would sink, and it sinks. Now this piece of Lego, it is pretty lightweight, so I'll go with a float, and it floats. And finally, this bangle. It's very lightweight, so I'll go with the float. And oh, it sinks. And last of all, this metal spoon. It is pretty heavy, so I'll go with a sink. And just plop. If you want to know why some things sank and some things floated, then this is the answer. Density. Density is mass per unit volume. In simple terms, it's basically how tightly molecules are packed. And molecules are like the tiniest particles in a substance. So, this is a metal spoon. Imagine that this is a metal spoon and this is a plastic spoon. In a metal spoon, the molecules would be packed like this. Nearly no space between them. We'll say this as more dense. And this one, there's a lot of space between them. So we call this less dense. So this is basically density. Why more dense objects compared to water sink while less dense objects compared to water float. Thanks for watching my video and bye.